AJ here from Nitecore Singapore. Today we're going to look at the Nitecore TSL10i. Alright, so this is a very unique piece of tech, right? What it does is it's actually a tail cap. Right, a tail cap with a multicolor lighting setup inside with its individual switch. So what this is or meant for is a very specific purpose to be mounted on the back of either the i4000R or the P20i. Any of the I series lights, it will work with this tail cap. Also the upcoming P10i that works for as well. So what this does is it replaces the tail cap of, let's say, the P20i. Right, replace it with this. I'm gonna show you how it works. Alright, so let's pop this off. Alright, there. So now you can see the P20 TSL10i on the P20i. So how do you turn this on is with this switch here. So just press and hold the switch and you start to cycle between your different lights. So you realize I am holding it down, so it will cycle through red, blue flashing, blue, red, green and white. So if I want it on white, once I let go, it will start to blink white. Alright, there. Okay, so if I want to turn it off again, I just press and hold the switch on the back. Press and hold, then it's off. Okay, this doesn't affect any of the individual controls. Like for example, I still do have the strobe, different color lights. Right, it's exactly the same as the original tail cap switch, but with a extra button here. Alright, to control the lights. Okay, so if I want to switch it to, let's say, red and blue. Press and hold to on, cycle to red and blue flashing. I'm still holding it there. Okay, once it is red and blue flashing, I leave it off and there you have it. Okay, so what this is meant to be used is for helmet light. So you can get this HRM2, right, or any of the other mounts. So for example, I can use it with this NTH25. Just pop it in there, and then if you were to shoulder mount this on your belt, you're visible from the back, right? You can also twist this to the front, right? Lock it so you have a front light in front, okay, and a rear light that IDs yourself or from the back. So the whole objective of this tail cap is to let you be visible on the back as well. Or if you need to color code yourself, red, green, blue and white themes. Okay, so you can also use this. This is the NCP30 if you are more into the mole attachment. So this is a little bit more flexible because you can mount this upside down actually, right? There, so mount it like this. Also visible, right? So you can mount this on the side, on your belt, on the back, so wherever that you want someone to see this, you can also mount it this way, right? It also just pops down like this and then go. Alright, so this is the TSL10i. So some of you are asking, how does it work on the i4000R? Does that mean I lose my recharge capability? Yes, because the i4000R now has a built-in USB charging port. So if you want to use the TSL10i on the i4000R, you will have to forgo the port for charging, but of course you can swap it in and out as and when you want to charge, right? Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it works on the... Alright, so this is the i4000R. Right, I didn't turn it off, so it immediately works, right? So this is the i4000R with the TSL10i. Okay, all of the typical strobe button still works, right? Strobe, on, off, and mode change. It all still works as per normal, alright? There, so if you want to turn it off, just press and hold and done. Okay, then it turns off. Alright, so waterproofing wise, it's exactly the same as a normal tail cap, right? It survives water and all that, so you can have it mounted on your helmet without any issues. Right, you can also use it on the default holster. Right, this is the NTL20 holster. It comes with the P20i and the i4000R, so it does work. Right, you can mount this however you want as well. Right, this is the NTH20. So now I'm gonna show you how it works on the HRM2 helmet mount, which was originally what it was intended for. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the helmet mount. Right, the difference between this and typical mounts is that you can loosen this part and you have you can slightly angle the light. Okay, whereas other helmet mounts, right, you can't actually angle the light. So you can have it here, and then if it's a fixed mount, it sort of points to the right, right? So if you can have it here and then you point it to exactly where you're looking at, or down or up. So that's the benefit of 3D pivot mount, okay? This is the 3D pivot mount. Now to put your light here, you have to remove the tail cap first. Tail cap. Okay. Then just balance it out a bit, right in the middle. Then tighten the top screw. Okay, once the screw is tightened, it won't drop out. Then you can adjust the angle at which you want it with this 3D mount here. Okay, so once you point it at the angle that you want, turn this to tighten. There. Okay, now it's fixed in this sort of position, however you want to arrange it. Okay, if you want to attach it to the helmet, right, this goes into the underlip. Right, loosen both of these screws. Okay, loosen both the screws, put it up onto the helmet this way. Right, then you just adjust to where you want to look at. Okay, right now it's a bit pointed up. So if I want to point it downwards, I can lock it into place like this. Okay, you can adjust it wherever you want to go. You can also mount it this way or this way, then just flip the light over. Alright, okay, this is the HRM2 mount with the TSL10i. It's available as a bundle together, or you can get them separately. On the product page is linked below. That's it. If you want to see more videos where we go through, very cool tech and accessories to help you in your work or hobbies, just subscribe down below. And I'll see you on the next one. MJ signing out.